What's up, mate?
What's up with the phone there, mate?
Which phone?
The one that you're hiding in your lap.
Which phone?
No honesty, huh?
Which phone?
Oh, well, you better hope my camera didn't catch it. The one you just put in your lap. Do you think I'm stupid?
No, well, you must be stupid.
So you're saying it doesn't exist and you weren't using it?
God, I don't know what you're talking about.
Look up Cycling Mikey and then you'll find out all about it. Kilo Mike 74 Charlie Foxtrot November. Do it for long enough and you'll end up without a driving license.